Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Tech It's Simple. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video which will be guiding you to install YouTube Kids application in your device. YouTube Kids is an American video application and website for kids developed by YouTube. As a subsidiary of Google, YouTube Kids provide more content environment for kids to explore videos from YouTube and makes it easier for parents and caregivers to guide the journey. A video application just made for kids, and it was created to give kids a more content environment filled with family-friendly videos. So to enjoy the different features of YouTube Kids, you will first have to install YouTube Kids application in your device. And don't worry, I'll absolutely help you to do that. First of all, make sure you have a good internet connection and then tap on Play Store. Then tap on the search box and type YouTube Kids. While after when you find the right application, tap on the green button that says Install. Installing definitely would take some time if you have a poor internet connection, but keep some patience. Here are YouTube Kids application is successfully installed in your device. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and do subscribe this channel. Don't forget to comment down below for any feedbacks. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos. Till then, goodbye.